Good morning, students. Now, basketball second session we will be coming. We have come here to last video we learnt what all basketball. We came to know what is the history of basketball, how to play, what is the foul, what is the rules and regulation of the game, measurement of the ground, measurement of the board, measurement of the center circle, everything we learnt. Now, we'll learn how to, what is moving, what is foul, what is dribbling, what is passing, what is throwing, few fouls and offender, defenders, then fouls, then intentional foul, everything one by one we will learn. Now today the game will be, as I said, the game will be started by tossing. How will start? See, two teams will be here. They'll be standing here and they'll keep their right leg forward. The referee will start here and he'll be holding like this, and this is the tossing. And the game will start. This is tossing. Now when the ball is started, now here, next the movements. Now dribbling. Now Satyendra sir will dribble and move from here to there. Sir, move from here, sir. This is dribbling. You have to dribble and move towards your opponent board. The next, passing. Now when we is playing, we have to pass and madam will start dribbling and moving towards the board. Next, throwing. Throwing, what is that means? If the ball is gone out of the line, then the referee will give the throw. Then the ball will start again, will start from throwing from outside. Then the game will start. Next one is back pass. Once the ball, when I have to convert to that board means I'll be passing to center line. And if I give the ball back and the ball passes towards the center line, that is called back pass. This is about moving. Now offending and defending. We'll go there near the board. Now, as I said, from each player there will be 5 players. One is BG, FG, and like that. One team will be there and one team will be here. And she will be called as offender, and sir will be called, this team will be called as defender. Now she has to convert the ball and sir will defend this offender. Now move with the ball. Now make someone foul. Now this is snatching the ball. One. Second thing is, now this team will about to basket and sir will do the mistake, foul. Then this is called one foul, where be given, you got foul will be called and team will be getting 2 free shoot. Now 2 free shoot will be done. Now the basket is not counted. And second one is, now when madam is converted and the foul is done, again 1 free shoot will be awarded. 2 plus 1 free shoot will be awarded. This is 1 free shoot. If it is converted, 3 points they got. Now 3 point. What is 3 point? If the player is about to basket from here and this is offender and I am the defender, and if I do the mistake foul here, and the offender will be getting 3 free shoots. The free shoots will be taken from here. This is called 2 free shoots, 1 free shoot, 3 free shoots. Then foul. What is foul? Now the ball is passed. Sir has to go to that corner. The ball is passed and he has to go with dribbling. And he will stop there. And again if you start dribbling, that is called traveling. Double dribble. Double dribble. What is double dribble? The ball will be given, the start, stop, again doing that, it's called double dribble. Now passing from the sideline. When the ball is given and the ball is has to give the pass, and if I stamp this line and if I give the ball inside the court, then it is called as a foul. Intentional foul. What is intentional foul? Now the sir will be going with the ball and I push here like this. That is called intentional foul. Or he will be holding and I snatch like this. Even that is called intentional foul. Then 5-second rule. What is 5-second rule? Now when the referee is given, the ball has to be given inside the ball, inside the court to my team within 5 seconds. They'll be count as 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. If it is within that, we have to give the pass. If not, the opponent will getting the passes. Then, again as I said, you should not stamp the line. Then intentional foul, as I said, pushing or talking nonsense or scolding in bad words or hitting each other. It's all intentional foul. So now we learned how dribbling, how what is the foul, everything we learned. Now we will know the referee signal. How the referees will give the signal to start the game, how the foul will be given, what is traveling like that, signal will be given. Now referee signals. First one is tossing the ball. The top ball will be held in right hand. The referee will turn towards the table and he will start like this. The ball will be tossed. Now fouls. Foul will be any foul, whether it is from offenders or defenders. The foul will be called like this and will be given sidewise. Thus foul. Then sidewise. If it is foul on the spot, he will be given toss or he will be showing towards where the foul is started. Now, as I said, 2-point conversion will be there. The foul will be given. Now the referee, the player will be standing over there and referee will be standing near this end line. And we will start like this or two. One is converted and if it is converted, the referee will tell like this. If not, one is not converted, the referee will be giving the signal like this. Now 3-point area means again 3 free shoots will be given. Here the same way, 1 will be given like this. After 1, we started like this. After 2 billion, then everything will be done later. The game will start. Then line cut. When the player is stamped the line, the referee will be given the line visual. Then the player is traveling. The player start running with the ball. The referee will given the signal like this. Then next one is back pass. When as I said, I showed when the ball is with the player and if it comes towards there and again the ball is passed backside, that is called backside. The signal will be whistle and they'll show like this. Then free shoot. What is free shoot? As I said, 2-point area will be, 2 points will be awarded, 3 points will be awarded, 1 throw will be awarded. Then the referee will be showing like this. Then high dribble. When the player is going with dribbling and if the ball comes over near the shoulder, that is called high dribble. And these are few signals which the referees will be using on the court. So hope we are all done. And one more is there, the double dribble. Now the ball will be going with the ball and if you hold the ball and again if you start dribbling, that is called double dribble. So here few signals of the referees we are showed and hope you all learned this. Okay, next class will meet in the PPT class. Thank you.